Alright, how's it going? Pretty early stream. I just want to get a stream out of the way before I go to La School. I was asleep all night, so I woke up like an hour ago. So I showered, ate, and now we're streaming. Anyway, so yeah, before I work on the back end, I want to tidy up this code. Because, yeah. Yeah. Okay, so this can be deleted. Editor settings is still here. Let's make a new folder. Front end. Let me just make sure it still has access to all the it still has access to the JSON file, right? Yeah, it does. Cool. Just making sure. Ugh. Alright, let's create some more files here. I don't need you anymore. And we're gonna add files.py, and we're gonna add password.py, and I think we need to add another one. Oh yeah, settings.py. And we're just gonna say from files import everything, from password import everything, and from settings import everything. And we're pretty much just going to do this for every single one. Except instead of with this one settings, we're just going to say editor. And same thing with this one. Instead of files, we say editor. And then instead of this one, instead of password, we're going to say editor. Alright. My hands are dry as fuck. I don't have any lotion. And I guess we're just gonna start throwing functions into these things. Add tab can stay here, but we're gonna say open file. No, not the entire goddamn project. We're gonna say this. We'll go into the file.py. Yeah, calm down. New file will also go into files.py. delete current file. Wait, no. Retab it all just to... cool. Why is that not defined? Yeah, whatever. Change file name. Why are they still... I mean, new file ain't no defined, bruh. You know what, screw it. Let's just... Let's just plop all the functions back, because I honestly don't feel like... I don't really need the code and all these different... I mean... I should do that, but whatever. Also, wait, I just want to test something, because, fuck's wrong with... What? Oh. Yeah. There we go. Because when you get to the end, close it. Yeah, there is no, Because that's how I was thinking I could do autosave. Instead of like constantly just saving them, I could just like make it when the user exits the program, but I can't because then the text boxes go away. Alright. I spent the first 10 minutes doing absolutely fucking shit because what I was doing, I just decided to not. Also, I can delete this because none of those fucking files exist. So, yeah, I don't know what to do now. I was gonna organize code, but you know what? Let's just get started on the back end. This one I might actually like split into multiple files because this, I mean, it's a lot of lines of code, but yeah. This is still the most lines of code. I mean, I could stop the project right here, and I mean, by technicality, it'd be complete. But it would not be what I want it to be. So, alright, let's make a new folder. Not in the text files. Back. Ow! Excuse me. I don't know who says excuse me for fucking sneezing, but I had to wait for that one. Alright, new file. Let's just call this one server py. And we'll make another one for the database dot py. So I guess I should probably keep this open though. Actually, there's some I do need to do in the editor first. I need to somehow I forgot to import socket. I still don't understand how I forgot. I also, do I need to keep threading in time? Actually, I do need to keep threading for autosave. But, or do I just make it so autosave is only on network or cloud files? I don't know. But let's just say socket equals client equals socket dot socket dot AF inet socket dot sock stream client dot connect on localhost port. Sure. I'm gonna make it nice and easy to remember. 7777. I don't know if any ports use that right now, so we're gonna go with it. Or that port is used. Alright, and then server, we're gonna say import socket server equals socket dot socket dot AFINet socket dot sock stream server dot bind localhost and port 7777. Alright, there's a server done. I'm just playing with you. So this is where I'm just gonna put SQL database. There's my SQL database right there. This is all the code you need for an SQL database. I don't actually know SQL. I'm still learning SQL, so yeah. Honestly, kind of waiting for BroCode to make a series on SQL. He'd uploaded one video and hit it. Or unlisted it. Actually, I want to see if he has it. Nope. There is not an SQL motherfucking anything in sight. RIP. He has 543 videos just because of his like Java and Python tutorial videos. I learned Python. I learned this exact language from him. I didn't learn like the more advanced stuff. I learned the more advanced stuff from Neural 9, but I learned all the basics and TK enter from him. And I just went off of that. That was about a year ago. Haven't really needed to watch him since. Well, I watched his HTML, Java, C++, and C# tutorials. And HTML and CSS, and I probably need to watch those again because holy shit, are they easy to forget somehow. Anyway, back to what I was doing. So I'm gonna do pressing all the wrong damn buttons. I know I didn't do this for the actual script, but I like to do it for my servers for some reason. Let's call main. You don't have a main. So up here we're gonna def main. Now we're gonna define a broadcast function in case there's something we need to broadcast to all of the current users, aka me, and possibly like 2 other people. Really depends on how good the video does. I was also gonna, what was I gonna find? Get file. Oh wait, also we're gonna need define handle handle client function that will, handle the client. And then we'll just get other functions to, I guess we should also have a authenticate function. I hope that's how you spell authenticate. Otherwise I'm gonna look like an idiot. Alright, what else do I need? I'm gonna just leave that for now. Alright, SQL databases. SQL. I could use SQLite actually. Do I want to use SQLite? Or do I want to use SQL? I don't know. I'll figure it out. I'll try and learn it a little bit at least so I can get started, but I think for testing purposes, I'm just going to have the server. Ow. I think I'm just going to make it to the server for each client. The client is just going to have like their own folder with all their files in it. That's just how I'm going to do it. Because I mean, another thing with SQL is I gotta make it secure, I gotta prevent SQL injections, I gotta prevent timing attacks for the accounts. I need to do other stuff. Anyway, so we're just gonna import. Do I need to download SQL? It doesn't seem that hard to work with, but okay. I'll just go to CMD. Well, an SQL package. Did I install malware? Let's just see what there is. let's just say S equals, I'm just messing around at this point. You know, let's just say from SQL import SQL S equals SQL S dot commit run commit run one. Okay, I might just use like SQLite, honestly. I'm just gonna write to CMD real quick. No, I don't care. SLQ. Forgot the dash white. Anyway, back to the server. So in main, I need it. Also, I also need to import threading. I mean, would I need to switch to multiprocessing if I have like 3,000 million people? Probably. But that won't happen, so. Unless I become the next Google Ducks. Which I won't. And if I do, I'm going to need like a team of motherfuckers to make a server for me because, yeah. I don't think I'm far enough in my programmer life to make it good enough. And my ideas are good, and I can like implement those ideas, but for it to actually like work good is a different story. Okay, so we're gonna say server dot listen. I was about to say, why is there a motherfucking I was about to say, why is there an error? I didn't even do anything. While true, you know, I'm gonna say wall, not down. Pass on this real quick. And we're just gonna say up here down D1 down equals false. I'm gonna set that to true for when I want to get the server down. Oh yeah, you can put else statements on while loops, can't you? I don't understand. You can just put else on for loops. I don't. Python's weird, but I guess it's cool. All right, so we're gonna say client address. I can't type. Client address equals server dot accept. Ugh. Stebiet. Client. Alright, and then from here we're gonna just say PW bass. You know, actually, if I wanted to make a word processor, I could, since I do know how to work with Word files now. I'm gonna make a word processor. Text editor and word processors are not the same thing. Because text editor, we sound like Notepad, where you just write things. That's not the right. But Google Docs. Also, if you know, you can just put docs.new and it'll take you to a new document. Stuff like a word processor, you know, you get the bold, you know, you get the underline, you get to fucking change the font size. Word processor IDE question mark. I think it would be cool to make whatever color you want for like the different, like I can make files orange instead of yellow, or not files, functions. You know, customizability. Or like file definitions a different color. Anyway, so and then from here we're gonna say threading. Yeah, I want to do something else real quick. I'll put client and address just in case. I don't remember what you would need the address for, but I know you say like client.send and stuff. I'm just gonna give it the client and address just in case. I need to threading dot thread target equals that shopping store. Target equals handle client. Args equal args equal tuple of client. I cannot type to save my life. Client and address. Why'd you go back in there? I don't want you to do that. As a handle client will just be. Alright, so handle client, we're gonna say. We're gonna say status. I'm talking like you know what I'm doing. I haven't really like built a server before. I only tried building a server for the password manager that I was gonna make, but I had no idea where to get started, so I just kind of gave up on the project. I was also gonna use Qt, PyQt instead of tkenter, but I know how to use tkenter, so I might as well just keep using it. I know how to work with it. Status equals pp. Status equals authenticate. And we're gonna have to pass the client and the address just in case. And then we're gonna say I should also probably make all these daemon threads. That probably sounds like a good idea. Cause you know I'd want to be able to close the motherfucking server. Daemon equals true. Cause daemon. I'm gonna grab more chocolate milk real quick. I have to think. Alright, so if I I'm back with my hot chocolate. I mean chocolate milk in a mug because I don't have any cups and I don't feel like cleaning one. So if I just alright, so while if I just say I'm gonna like status, I'm gonna do this just to make sure there's an extra level of security. But I could just authenticate. I could just authenticate in here, but then somehow if the user gets around it, something could happen. So I'm only gonna make it so I'm also gonna make it so this function can tell the user to fuck off. But this one could also, if the return value is not what it should be. Man, I'm gonna make that's what it's gonna be. We're gonna pass on this for now because I don't feel like it. Add an else branch. I'm just gonna say else client dot send what should the not authenticated error be? Just there, perfect. I have to encode it, right? Or it's gonna encode it with U2EF-8. Right. I wish VS Code had better syntax island. OBS is using my microphone. Wow, I would have never guessed. Why is my location currently in use? What the fuck? Bruh. Microsoft, the fuck you doing with my location? Alright, I got like an extra 2 hours still, so let's get as much of this done as I can feasibly do without having to work with the non-existent database. I still have to think that because my brain is small. I just jizzed all over myself. This is fine. Should I have two different servers? One for like, okay. Now I think about it, I think I should have two different servers. One for users, and one for the actual like file stuff. Because my plan is for all my applications to share one account. Kind of like how Google does with like Google Docs, Google Slides, and stuff like that. Like it's one Google account, and you can use it with all their Google stuff. It's kind of what I want to do too, but I don't really know how to do that. Or I guess I could just, I mean, different servers can share the same database, so actually, now I think about it, I don't really need to do that. I just have to make sure it's a godly database and not running on a multi-year-old hard drive. Because, yeah. My first couple paychecks I'm going to use to make a motherfucking... I'm going to use it to get a better PC, honestly, because holy hell. My PC ain't bad. The thing is, should I have hardware info, right? Yeah. Here, let me just show you something real quick. I've already opened you. You should know this stuff. Why are y'all loading? The fuck? Yeah, I don't need to load. Y'all are already loaded. I don't care. An HP ProDesk 400 G3 small 4-factor. Yeah, can I just edit this? Oh, would you look at that? I now have a... Oh, I can't actually edit it. Oh, damn. That's been really funny. Like right now, we're still green, but yeah, it's kind of sus. Sorry, I was disgusting. Anyway. Just overclock it right here. I start dying. If I go to my drops here. Hello. There we go. You know, it's a terabyte, 5200 RPM, still slow as fuck. Number of cylinders. Okay, there's no age or anything, but yeah, it's old. Pretty sure the date on the drive itself is like 2011. So I can't, yeah, I can't, yeah. While I was there, I should have checked my temps. Yeah, let's see how my temps are doing. I don't think they're doing bad by any stretch of the imagination because I literally... Stop popping up information boxes. Core temps. Yeah, they're not bad. Relatively stable. Drive temperature 35 Celsius. Goddamn. That shit hot. We'll switch to the Fahrenheit because that's like what I'm used to, but yeah, it's still reasonable. When it comes to computers, I'm used to Celsius just because that's what I always watch. I always watch hardware info being seen in Celsius, and I've kind of determined whether, like, I know when a CPU is gonna like overheat based on Celsius, not Fahrenheit. I'm looking at this, yeah, it looks comfortable, but you know, I switched to Fahrenheit. I'm like, holy Jesus, that's fucking hot. It's still fine though. I know it's still fine. How much does that mean my fucking drive is? Actually, let me go check. 95, goddamn. Now we're gonna switch it back to Celsius because I may be an American, but Celsius is what I'm used to when it comes to computer hardware. Four. So find out hard. Also, it's due over 2400. What the fuck? Hold on. Hold on a second. Hold on a motherfucking second. 2133. 2400. Also 1200. What the fuck? I don't think the computer knows what's going on. Skylake. DDR4. Do channels, timings, cool. I don't know. I'm looking at this. I'm kind of procrastinating. I don't like working on things. Alright, so if we're done that, we're gonna say we're gonna say pass again because I wanna. Alright, we're just gonna make an old big ol' ass fucking. We're gonna do a big ol' ass fucking. I hate my life. Okay, we're gonna say if. Actually, we should probably. We're gonna say data equals client dot receive 1024. Wait a sec, that's 1204. 1024 bytes. I was gonna say if data equals something like I don't know, what should the first keyword be? We'll just do, we'll just start off with if data equals I fucking zoned out. If data equals, let's just say done. I forgot the semicolon, or the colon? Semicolon? Colon? Colonoscopy? I don't know what I'm saying. I'm going mentally insane. Data dot, fuck me. We'll just say status. I don't know why I'm putting status to not equal good anymore, but stop doing stuff. Status equals. We'll say status equals done. Sure. And then we'll say we'll just break. We'll just have a break. Have a Kit Kat bar. Yes. Bye. Oh yeah. Fuck me, fuck me, fuck me in the butt. Oh yeah, fuck me now. How long have we had? Almost an hour, surprisingly. And I've gotten literally nothing done. I should also probably work on some stuff on this side. It's fine. What's my IP? I should probably just put my IP instead of... Alright, thank you. Oh no, I exposed my IP address. Oh no, my IP. Anyway. We're just gonna do that. What am I copying? I'm supposed to be saving, not copying. What the hell? I don't know what to do. I am very stupid. I should be charging my phone. Okay, forgot I had this open. I forgot I was gonna do this today. Can I just do that real quick? Let's not talk about it. Look at all these tasks I've done. Alright, I know I was supposed to work on the back end fucking 6 days ago. Oh no. How unfortunate. Anyway. But like, I am actually done with this editor PY, right? I don't know why I said editor PY. I could have just easily said editor. I don't know. Me have small brain. Me brain smaller than... Should I have an explorer? Just because of like... the fact that I have files like that. I mean, it's not like it's an IDE. I think it'll be fine. Honestly, what is the point of having multiple files open anyway if it's just a regular text editor? I mean, you know. Notes. You know, if you got ideas flying in and out of your head all the time, you know, you gotta have multiple different files open to, you know, organize those ideas, those excellent ideas. That's really all I'm gonna use it for. I forgot Notepad is open. File. Exit. There's a lot more settings that I kind of want to add now, but we'll see. You know, I'm gonna add them to Asana just to remember them. Just like do this. every time. Can I learn to type? I'm just putting these down because that's what I did for my previous attempts at this text editor. These will obviously be settings, so actually I'm gonna I guess I might as well just like put setting in front of this too. There's been more planning and less doing actual stuff this stream. The more things that I want to add to the text editors, the more things I have to adhere to. Hiya. Hiya. Uncle Roger. Rubbing off on me too much. Hiya. Okay, so just okay. Actually, I should probably specify this because get file could mean like get the file like from the user, like they're uploading it, or like they're trying to like get a file from the server. That also doesn't make any. That also doesn't help. Perfect. Better. And I guess actually in the back end, I'm gonna make a test py just to help test, so I don't actually have to like use the editor to test it. Oh, I feel like I made the mistake of not like directly incorporating the server aspects into the editor, so I have to like incorporate them somehow. I'm cold, dude. I might have fucking outside. Wait, what's the temperature outside? What is the temperature supposed to be today? It's 50 out. It's 46 out right now. That's lovely. It's supposed to be 67. Yeah, I think I'll wear a fucking hoodie today. Maybe. I'll wear a hoodie with shorts, yeah, whatever. I'm alright. I don't even know why I'm caring right now. I literally still have an hour and a half until I have to care. Today my friend finally got me a motherfucking job application like he said he was going to the past 2 motherfucking days. So yeah. I'm gonna ask my dad today if we can go bowling Saturday, so I can drop off me application. Alright, LF data equals penis. This is them trying to tell me they're gonna give me dick. I need to stop. This is easy. This is probably easier because it makes more sense. We're gonna call it stop. Stop it. We're gonna call the old get bitches. Up to upload file. I guess according to the server it'd be like download file. Whatever. Shut up. This is my project. You don't control naming schemes. I don't control naming schemes. My brain names them whatever they want, and I have to deal with it later. I definitely don't need the address for this one. I don't know. I just keep putting it just in case I do need it for something. And if I do need it for something, I'll just fucking put it there. Cough. Y'all remember this trend? Y'all remember this TikTok trend? I do. Anyway, so after this, the name will equal client dot receive. Actually, you know what? I think I know how I'm going to do this. So, in the authenticate function, we're going to return two variables, status and account. So, like here, I just like return. Like right here, we're going to return like good and 8029 dash 123 dash 0928 whatever. Might be someone's phone number. It might be. Speaking of this, I might want to do that too. I do have UID installed, right? I should if it's there, but just in case, you know. Okay. That works, I guess. Guess I either had to update it or I just never installed it. Actually, I think I haven't installed a lot of packages. Just because when I reset my computer, you know, I didn't like re-download like any packages. So yeah, universally unique identifiers. This is a lot of motherfucking if statements. A lot of properties too. I don't know, I'm looking at this. I'm probably gonna stop streaming at like 6 o'clock to give myself some alone time before school. That makes it sound weird. Whatever. Alright, and then we're gonna say upload file. So they would give me a file name like, so they would give me like me.txt or something.cpp. Like I chose a C++ file instead of a Python file. Or like something dot pass, I don't know. Well, they're gonna give me the file and the ending. They can't open like exe files or anything, so I don't think I'd have to worry about sending bytes or receiving bytes. Yeah, because it's been like gonna be text files or Python files or HTML files. Probably like HTML files at like the absolute high. Like at the absolute most, it's gonna be like that. Also, I should probably close this bag of cereal because it's gonna they're gonna get a little stale as fuck. And they probably already are because they've been sitting open for at least a few days. But so then we're gonna say. So I'm gonna say the full file is name plus. Wait, no. Well, I have to get the user too, or I guess the account. Now we pass the upload file too, so we're gonna say client and account. Yeah, I think this is a good enough way to do it. Maybe, possibly, I don't know. I'm gonna say name plus, except we're not gonna say name plus. We're gonna say account plus slash plus ow. Account plus slash and then name, name. Just so there's no confusion, I'm just gonna say like name equals name dot strip. Up here I have to say dot decode with UTF dash 8 dash 8. I'll put name in quotes. Mobby. Wait, I can just make this an F string. That make it look a little better, I think. Alright, so just be account backslash name. Can I stop putting name? Not. How the fuck would you even say that? Niam. Sure. Let's go with that. I hate myself. Alright, so that'll be the file. Or say. Alright, so we're gonna say while. Fuck. Actually, let's go. File contents is gonna equal empty string. And we're gonna say while. We're gonna say while true. We're going to say data equals client dot receive 1024. And from here we're going to say snap out of it. Why am I tired? Alright, so then we're gonna say file content that was my alarm. So file contents dot append. Oh, come on. It knows that file context is a string. I should be able to append to it without even. My sister also has a 5:30 alarm because I can hear it. Lol. Now we're just going to say file context plus equals data. And then we're going to say if file contents starting at like 4 or something. Actually 5 probably. Is equal to something like, oh yeah, let's go with this, and then we're gonna say break. I should just put this on the same line because I can, and that might as well. And then we're just gonna say with open file index index. I'm so used to saying index because I like the file list and stuff. File in our lighting mode as F. Can you motherfucking stop? I should really unbind that just because I never fucking care about it. I don't really understand going line by line with these things. Ooh. And I'd always do it when I'm like doing an open statement or an if statement or while statement, just because I'm trying to like press shift fucking colon and I'm actually pressing like enter. And with open that, we're just gonna say f dot write file contents. Hey, let's go to my test file and test this. Actually, do I really need to? I don't feel like it. Honestly, I feel like I need to stream. I don't really have the mental capacity to code right now, honestly. Whew. I mean, I did get some stuff done. I like to imagine the authenticate function just stays like this forever. Yes, security. Anyone can access any one of your files. Sounds great. Yeah, I just want to go watch YouTube. So honestly, stream. I'll catch y'all later. I wasn't even planning to work on the back end today, so honestly, to me, this is still progress. I was planning on just like, put you in functions and stuff, but or files, but I don't feel like doing that. I did what I did. And honestly, I don't care enough. God, why am I so tired? But yeah, stream. I'll catch y'all later.